If you're one of the billions of people on this planet that lie awake at night in existential horror, trying to figure out how to cook top ramen in your CPAP machine, then this video is for you. You should also probably see a psychiatrist, but not before hitting that like and subscribe button. First, you're going to take your bag of top ramen. Ah, damn it, this isn't top ramen. I'm practicing with top ramen this whole time. It should still work the same. It should still work the same. Yeah, so you're going to take top ramen and you're going to put it in the water chamber of your CPAP device. And I'm a Libra, so you know me, I always got to put the seasoning packet in before I cook it. Then you're going to attach the humidifier to your CPAP device and turn it on. That's about it. Alright, there you have it. After an hour and about 20 minutes of cooking, the top ramen is finally done. If there's any openings or anything like that, you want to be sure to take a few precautionary measures and tape them up. And pour yourself a nice lukewarm bowl of instant noodles. I don't know why you would do this. It'd have to be very desperate times, in which case you should probably rethink a lot of decisions that you made in your life. Frankly, it tasted disgusting and never got above room temperature, essentially. But you know, if you ever hit rock bottom and stumble across this video, give it a go. You will break your machine in the process. That's kind of a one-off. So like and subscribe for more videos.